Is your Samsung refrigerator not keeping things cool? Don't sweat it. We've got some easy repair tips to get your fridge back on track. Let's dive in. First things first, is it plugged in? Sounds simple, but double check that power cord. And the outlet. Test the outlet with something else to be sure. Still no luck? Time to check those door seals. Make sure the doors are closing tight. Gaps let all the cold air escape. Give those seals a good cleaning with soapy water. Grime can stop them from sealing right. Take a peek around your fridge. Is it crammed full? Overpacking blocks airflow, and that's a big no-no for cooling. Make sure nothing's blocking those air vents inside. Now, let's talk temperature settings. 37 F3C is your sweet spot for the fridge, and 0F to 18C for the freezer. And hey, is power cool turned on? It's great for a quick chill. But maybe it's overkill. Quick question: is your fridge stuck in demo mode? It's a sneaky setting that disables the compressor. Check your user manual to turn it off. Still not cool? If it's a brand new fridge, give it some time. It can take up to 24 hours to reach the right temperature. Okay, time for some more advanced troubleshooting. Frost buildup can be a sneaky culprit. If you see a lot of ice, try manually defrosting your fridge. Unplug it for 24 to 48 hours. Next up, condenser coils. These guys are usually at the bottom or back. Unplug the fridge, find them, and give them a good vacuuming. Dust bunnies kill cooling efficiency. Time for a control board reset. Unplug the fridge, wait 5 minutes, and plug it back in. Sometimes, that's all it takes. Listen closely. Can you hear the evaporator fan running? If not, it might need replacing. Or, ice might be blocking it. Check that defrost drain. If it's clogged, you'll see water inside or under the fridge. Clear it with warm water or a wire. If your ice maker's on the fritz, check the water pressure. Samsung fridges need between 20 and 125 psi. Make sure the water line isn't kinked, either. Oh, error codes. Samsung fridges use these to tell you what's wrong. Don't unplug the fridge or mess with the control panel right away. Look up the code in your manual or online. Here are a few common ones. 5ESE means a defrost error. 22E is an ice maker fan issue. 33E points to a temperature sensor problem. 39E3E? Compressor trouble. You might need a pro for that one. See a 21E? It's a ventilation issue. 4E means a defrost sensor failure. PCTHPCER communication error. 23E is condenser fan error. 40E freezer defrost malfunction. 8E means ice maker sensor failure. 8888, 83E, 85E, or 86E. Power or voltage error. By 2025, cooling issues, ice maker malfunctions, water leaks, and those confusing error codes are still common problems. Regular maintenance is key. Clean those condenser coils, check those door seals, and keep things tidy inside. When should you call a pro? If you're not comfortable working with electrical stuff, or if the basic fixes don't work. It's time to bring in the experts. A faulty compressor or a bad control board definitely needs professional attention. So, there you have it. Easy repair tips to get your Samsung refrigerator cooling like a champ again. Good luck.